In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Temu without a phone number. Whether you're concerned about privacy or simply prefer not to tie your phone details to an app, this guide will help you through the process, step by step, ensuring a smooth experience in setting up your Temu account. First, the journey begins by opening your Temu app. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, it's available on your device's app store. Once you've launched the app, you'll be met with options to start your registration. Now here's where it gets interesting. You have the flexibility to register using one of your existing social media or email accounts. Temu supports signing up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or Twitter accounts. By choosing any of these, you can effectively bypass the phone number requirement. This is particularly handy if you're looking to maintain a bit of extra privacy or simplify the process. Now, if your preference leans towards email registration, the next step is to click on Continue with Email. This option facilitates the creation of an account without intertwining it with your phone details. Once you've clicked on it, you'll need to input your email address into the designated field. It's essential to use an email that you have immediate access to, since there might be a verification step. After you've input your email and clicked Continue, it's time to set your password. Choose a strong and secure password that you'll remember. This will be critical in keeping your account protected. Enter your chosen password, then click Register to officially set up your account. At this point, there could be a prompt requiring a code that Temu sends to your email address, so be sure to check your inbox and spam folders to locate this verification code, if asked for it. This step ensures that the email you provided is valid and accessible, which is important for account security and functionality. Now, for those situations where an alternate route is needed, consider using a disposable phone number. Platforms like Burner or Hushed offer temporary numbers that can handle SMS verification codes. This option can serve as a great workaround if some features still insist on phone number validation. Should any issues arise during your registration process, or if you hit a snag bypassing the phone number requirement, Temu's customer service is there to help. They are accessible through their support channels on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Additionally, you can contact them directly via their provided options. Their team is ready to assist with any troubles you might face during setup, and with that, you are now equipped to create a Temu account without needing a phone number. Thanks for joining us today, and happy navigating on Temu.